Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm starting a new series here of Shabbat Dips and Salads, and here is the part 1. I'm going to be sharing all the dips here with you today. For the tomato dip, I place 3 to 4 large tomatoes. I use beefsteak tomatoes here into a food processor with about 3 minced cloves of garlic, a 1/3 cup of oil. You could use any oil that you like. Here I have some avocado oil, and season it with some salt and pepper. I food process everything until smooth. For the olive dip, I use 1 can of pitted green olives that I place into a food processor with 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, black pepper, as well as 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything until combined. If you like your olive dip on the chunkier side, then just pulse it instead of food processing it until your desired consistency. Be sure to scrape up the bowl to get everything incorporated. For the tahini dip, I use this tahini paste that I find in my local supermarket. I do 1-to-1 ratio of the tahini paste and water, and I place that into the food processor. I add in about 3 cloves of crushed garlic, a squeeze of half a lemon, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of dry dill. Food process everything until silky smooth. Next, we're on to the hummus. It's very simple to make. I take a can of chickpeas and place them into the very same food processor. You don't even have to wash it because we're also going to be using the tahini that we just made. I use about 1/3 cup of it and I place it right into the food processor. To that, I add in 1/4 cup of oil, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, some salt, and 1/2 of a lemon squeezed. Cover it all up and blend until silky smooth. There are so many beautiful ways that you can dress up your hummus and take it to the next level. I usually like to place some oil over the top of it, sprinkle in some cilantro and some whole chickpeas, maybe even sprinkle on some za'atar seasoning or spicy paprika, and it just looks incredibly beautiful and the presentation is so nice. For the jalapeno dip that I'll be showing you now, I use about 6 to 7 of them and place them also in a food processor along with 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and about 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. I add in some salt and food process the whole thing. If you want your jalapeno dip to not be as spicy, then simply just take out the seeds from the inside. I hope you all enjoyed this part 1 in the series of Shabbat dips and salads. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. It's completely free. Until next time.